This week, we're going to talk about the tigress. When your nature is that of a tigress or a tiger, how do you tame yourself? Do you? Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is Intuitive Insights, where I share universal messages from readings that were specific to some specific person. And I'm hoping that the universal message you can use specifically for you. I'm your host, Megan McDonough, and here is your message of the week. The tiger, the tigress. The nature of this beautiful beast is fierce, elegant, strong, wild. This picture of a tigress relaxing in the grass with the woods behind her is showing her content in her natural habitat. She is who she is. All the beautiful attributes I just listed, her confidence and contentment comes from being grounded in her natural surroundings, being free. She's not trying to be anything other than who she is. The tiger is bold, it is passionate, fiercely goes after what it wants and needs for survival. It protects its loved ones and is a leader in the jungle. Its power is awe-inspiring. The tiger's nature cannot be caged or changed. The tiger is a beautifully wild beast. When your nature is fierce, passionate, strong, and innately wild, we may question its place in society. We may try and cage it or tame it, only to find ourselves with depleted energy and frustration. When you know your nature, when you own your nature, that's when you can truly be wild and free. When you can truly just be. You are who you are. Own it. You're a magical beast. Okay, till next week. Buckets of love.